Hey guys, I'm MICHAELJOSH, and you're watching GadgetMatch. I have a big smile on my face because today I'm taking a break from smartphones. But don't worry, the Galaxy Note 20 is just around the corner, and plenty more smartphone content is coming your way real soon. I've also just gone back and checked. I think I've done more than 10 in-depth smartphone reviews back to back in the last few months. Like many other tech creators out there, I need a break from phones. That's why when Duolink reached out and asked if they could partner with me to feature their upcoming SpeakerBuds, I was like, sure, let's do it. Of course, there's more to it than that. It's also a very interesting device. At first glance, these might look like your run-of-the-mill Bluetooth speakers, but pull them apart, and now you have two stereo speakers. It gets even better, because inside these two halves sits a pair of true wireless earbuds. Cool, no? Have I gotten your attention? In this video, we'll take a look at the Duolink SpeakerBuds. Alright, let's start with a quick unboxing. So this is what the actual retail box looks like. Let's slide this jacket off. Up front it says, "Non-stop music journey with us." To open it up, slide both sides off, and if you do it right, a hidden message appears. You are so cool. Believe it. Inside are the Duolink SpeakerBuds. Let's take a closer look. There's a built-in lanyard so you can hang it on your backpack or wear it around your wrist. It's got a nice rubbery matte finish and a mesh fabric over the actual speakers. We'll take a closer look later. Digging deeper inside, you'll find a black box with a USB-A to C cable, extra ear tips available in small, medium, and large so you get the best fit, and last but not least, an instruction manual. Now that it's out of the box, keep watching to find out how you can win one of 3 Duolink SpeakerBuds. Now to set it up. First, you need to pair the speakers. Start by turning Bluetooth on your device and press any of the side buttons for 10 seconds. You'll see both lights light up for a second or so. By the way, this happened to me. If you only see one light flash on, that means one of the earbuds is loose. Make sure they snap in all the way. If done correctly, Duolink should show up on your device. Just tap to connect and you're good to go. Turning it on is easy too. Just split the two halves of the speakers or long press on either speaker button for 3 seconds when combined. Of course, these are wireless Bluetooth headphones also. Just pull them out of the case and put them on to get started. The stem on the earbuds have a built-in touch sensor for controls. Tap once to play or pause your music, touch and slide up or down to control your volume, tap twice or thrice quickly to go back or skip forward, and when your phone is ringing, tap once to answer and tap twice to hang up. Finally, long tap for 3 seconds to activate your phone's voice assistant. As I teased at the beginning of this video, what I like most about the Duolink SpeakerBuds is its versatility. You can use it in 3 ways. Party mode, where the cube works as a single Bluetooth speaker. This way, it's sufficiently loud to fill my entire studio apartment with music. But also loud enough to be used outdoors. Also, when I'm listening to podcasts but also need to take a shower, I just take it with me. Don't worry about the splashes, it's got an IP54 water and dust resistance rating. Duo mode is pretty cool. You just tear the 2 speakers apart. You could use them like you would PC speakers. One goes here on the left, the other goes on the right. They work up to 22 feet apart from each other, so one speaker can be with your friend on one table, while you could be listening to music on another table a bit further away. That way, you don't necessarily need to turn the volume up. Oh, and try watching a video having both speakers positioned around you for a more immersive experience. Finally, there's solo mode, where these earbuds work just like any pair of wireless earphones. And with a feature called Auto Switch, your music will smartly switch between modes depending on how you choose to use your SpeakerBuds. This is my life, this is my hope, this is what I stand for. The speaker case also serves dual purpose as a wireless charger. Duolink says the earbuds and the speakers will last you 6 hours of continuous playback. A full charge takes only an hour when plugged in via the USB-C port on the side of the device. The Duolink SpeakerBuds are now available via duolinkgo.com. They will eventually be sold for $149, but during its Kickstarter phase, they will retail for only $79. So, are the Duolink SpeakerBuds your gadget match? I did like the versatility of this product and how you kind of get two devices in one. The team at Duolink also said that they wanted my honest feedback, so hopefully some of these suggestions might make it to the final version that ships to you. 1. It will be nice that when split apart, each individual speaker will play music independent of each other. I don't know if that's possible. Number 2. The earbuds definitely need an L and an R so you know which one goes where. And I wish the indicator lights were color-coded. Blue could stand for Bluetooth pairing, white to signify that the device is on, and red to show that the device is running low on battery. So what do you think of the Duolink SpeakerBuds, and do you want to win one of your own? I have 3 to give away, so click on the link in the description box below for more information. As promised, smartphone reviews resume next week. We have 2 big announcements that I can't wait to tell you about. So to make sure you don't miss any of those videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so that you get notified as soon as we post those videos. Follow me on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff, and as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.